Sugar causes cancer, a myth or reality? Before answering this question, let's understand what happens if you eat too much sugar. When you consume too much sugar, it leads to sugar rush or glucose spikes in your bloodstream. जब आप शुगर इंटेक बढ़ा देते हैं तो आपके खून में शुगर की मिकदार बढ़ जाती है. In response, pancreas, which is the organ of your body, releases insulin to regulate sugar. Now, the question is, what happens with that excess sugar? The excess sugar is stored as glycogen or fat. The stored form of sugar is called glycogen. It's like your body's carb bank. It is broken down into glucose for energy when needed and is stored in liver and muscles. Now, let's come to the question, does sugar can cause cancer? Well, it's true that sugar feeds every cell in our body, even cancer cells. But research shows that eating sugar doesn't necessarily lead to cancer. It's what sugar does to your waistline. Taking too much calories from sugar may result in weight gain, and the people who have obesity or weight gain issues are at higher risk for cancer and other diseases. Now the question is, should you eliminate sugar from your diet? The answer is absolutely no. Your body cells use sugar to keep your vital organs functioning. जिस्म के बहुत से organs को काम करने के लिए sugar की ज़रूरत होती है. But you should be aware of the amount of sugar you are consuming. Daily basis पे sugar intake से आपका weight gain हो सकता है और unhealthy weight gain और lack of exercise आपके कैंसर के रिस्क को बढ़ा देते हैं. Now, prevention and control. Number 1, limit added sugar. If you consume added sugar, try to have no more than the recommended amount per day. Number 2, spot hidden sugars in food. It is very important to read food labels and look for the hidden sugars in the list of ingredients. कुछ शुगरी फूड्स में शुगर का टर्म ingredients में इस्तेमाल नहीं किया जाता है. It's often disguised under the different names. If the word ends with OS, that's a definite indicator कि उसमें sugar मौजूद है. Here are some hidden sugar words to look out for. Number 1, fructose is used for sugar from fruits. Lactose is used for the sugar from milk. Sucrose is used for the sugar made from sucrose and glucose. Maltose is used for the sugar from grains. Glucose is used for simple sugar. Dextrose is used for the form of glucose. Number 3, opt for natural sugars. Always go for natural sugars like honey, dates, resins, apple, bananas, etc., which can